as we go on, we remember all the times we had together, and as our lives change, or whatever, we will still be friends forever. La, 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 la.
Graduation song yan, di ba?
Oo.
So yan yung graduation song niyo.
Oo, tapos gano'n din yung magkakanta. Graduation ng mga sinisipon na duwende. Sinisipon sila eh.
Kasi sa classroom naghahawaan ng sakit eh.
Oo, gano'n. So, pag may sipon yung isa, malamang lahat kayo ano yung graduation song niya?
Ano yung sa amin, you raised me up so I can stand on mountains.
Sige. Gusto ko yung mas mataas pa.
You raised me up.
Gusto ko yung nakatingin sa akin si Hershey. You raise me up!
Habang kinakanta namin yun, we were approaching our parents from the stage na may hawak kaming letters. So, iyakan
Taray, may
yun.
palangka. Kasi siya naman ang... Ang taray naman ng school nyo, may ganun pa kayo, ah.
Tapos yung, ito, I'm not kidding, gumawa kami ng recycled paper. So,
okay.
So yung mga
parang
paper na
mash-
minash mo together. So, ayun na recycled paper, tas may pinrint kaming paper. So, gumastos na kami ng paper.
Ilang trip yan?
Recycled paper, tas may bond paper na bago. So, tas pinulatan namin. So, bali wala lang yung recycled paper.
Pinahirapan lang kayo ng school nyo.
Kasi, thank you, mommy and daddy.
Eme lang yung recycle nyo, ah.
Josh Groban.
Josh Groban pa kayo, ah. In fairness, may orchestra pa yun. May mga vibrato pa yun. May orchestra pa. Turn me up! Kakaiyak. Parang iyak ako. Parang feeling ko papunta na ako heaven nun.
Sobrang ganda
Sobrang
mag-introduce
ganda.
tayo sa sarili natin.
Eto na yung, introduce yourself. Yan. Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Hershey,
And this is Chicks to Go. Go, go, go! Wow! Almost. Shit.
Hindi kasi
Magkaka-album na ako. Photo album.
isa lang yung
Sobrang ganda ng boses ko. Magkaka-album ako. Punyeta kayo.
Hindi, kasi yung itsura natin, mukha tayong mag-a-attend ng PTA.
Na naman.
Na naman.
The second time around. Pero yung... Sure bang PTA yung pupuntahan ko?
Hindi
Kasi nakaka-distract eh.
kasi
Andito,
na-office
distract, hindi self-destruct. Distract.
Na-office daw kasi si Cash.
Ito na naman. Siyempre, yung anak ko, alam mo si Cash kasi, yung imaginary future child ko, okay, son, ano siya eh,
Bad boy.
He's a,
Troublesome.
He's troublesome. So is his mama.
Bababa ka sa Land Cruiser Prado.
He got it from his mama. So,
Pagkababa mo sa Land Cruiser Prado mo, naka-heels ka pa.
Hindi, naka-Navi pa kami. Hindi, yung mga artista van.
Alphard.
Hindi gagawin yung
Alphard
malaki, yung literal na artista
High
van.
ace.
Mga ganon. yung parang, mga RV, parang ganong type, di ba? Tapos, ang kwento talaga dito, may ginawang kasalanan si Cash. So, kailangan ko i-distract yung principal. Para imbes na mag-focus siya dun sa ginawa ng anak ko, mag-focus siya kay B1 siya kay B2.
Ang ganda.
Diba?
Ang ganda.
Ano yung story ng sayo? Anong ginawa ni KitKat? Bakit ka na PTA?
Gusto lang
Ay, na
namin
PTA na guide. Ano bang tawag doon? Pag
na-office. Gusto lang
sorry.
namin ni-inform na scholar si KitKat.
Ganon! Tang-ina talaga, oh. So, yung sa akin, may ginawang kasalanan. Yung sa'yo, scholar. Sama ng pakiramdam ko, ah. End na natin to.
Friendship over.
Hindi pa nagsisimula yung episode. Friendship FO na
Friendship
kagad.
over.
Buti na lang, sakto kasi we're gonna talk about friendships.
Sabi nila, anong connection ng PTA, ng graduation
Ng
sa
school,
friendship?
school kasi, okay, doon nagsisimula ang mga friendships,
sa
diba?
school.
Most of the time, but syempre meron yung mga kapitbahay, ganyan. But today, we're gonna be talking about
Adult friendships.
Bakit ganun yung
adult
Ba't ka na yung
friendships.
pagkakasabi mo? Parang triple X naman yung pagka-adult friendships na to. Anyway,
Kasi it's rare to find adult friends.
alam mo,
Diba?
Hershey, yung tingin mo sa akin, parang humihingi ka ng approval. Tama ba yung sinasabi ko? Adult friendships? But, so paano ba? Meron kasing chickster na nag-suggest nitong topic na to. So, how do we meet friends ba?
As
Ngayon
an
na as an adult. So, paano nga ba?
Alam mo, so diving straight to the point. Alam nyo, may maganda akong nakitang quote sa TikTok.
Okay.
The price of community is inconvenience.
Na-distract ako kasi ang ano ko lang, if the price is right.
Adult friendship.
Ano ba yung ADHD? Oh, sorry. Okay.
The
The
price of community is inconvenience.
Okay.
Tayo kasi ngayon sa digital world, sobrang like, tapos message, tapos parang everything is so instant.
Instant gratification. Lahat.
Exactly, lahat. Na nakakalimutan natin na sometimes kailangan din natin ma-hassle. Kailangan
Yes.
nating ma-inconvenience yung sarili natin in order for us to cultivate relationships. Parang sa
Exactly.
gardening, di ba?
Yes.
Mahirap yan eh.
Oo.
So parang may isang TikTok post na sabi, dati, pag may magpapasundo sa airport, friend yung magsusundo. Ngayon, you can just book a taxi, book a Grab.
Yeah.
Or dati, pag merong may sakit na tao, di ba, pinapadalhan talaga natin ng
Fruits,
food, ganyan,
ganyan.
ng fruits. Ngayon, they can just book their own food.
Hindi. Ngayon, ano na lang, emoji na lang na,
Na
prayer.
Get well soon, pray emoji.
Speedy recovery. Ganun na lang. Speedy recovery.
So parang,
Buwisat kayo.
a lot of us, we expect parang great friendships, but forget to do the hard work.
Exactly.
To put the
Put
ina.
the putang ina.
To put
Kasi-
the effort
Exactly.
into it.
Yun na nga. Kasi nga, parang, dahil, alam mo, I really blame social media. Nawawala na yung pagkatao natin. Nawawala na yung essence of life and friendships and relationships. Everything. Kasi nga, lahat nasa ano na eh. Nasa phone na natin.
Yeah.
Tsaka, like you said, parang tinatamad na tayong lahat.
Yeah. Kasi
Tinatamad na tayong lahat gawin ang kahit anong bagay.
sa sobrang convenient na ng lahat, nakakatamad.
Oo.
No?
Tsaka, if you think about it talaga, yung mga dating apps, or just in general, parang literal, in-order mo na rin yung mga tao eh. Naisip mo pa siyang ganun?
In order.
Parang in-order mo sila. Parang, let's say, any dating app, di ba? Yung concept lang na, swipe right, swipe left. Di ba? Parang, medyo sad siya. Kung ano mo sa utak mo, i-absorb mo kung anong klaseng digital age na we live in right now, yung mga Black Mirror episodes, putya, nandun na tayo ngayon.
Nandun na tayo.
It's so
Oo.
sad.
Oo.
Tsaka, aside sa mga friends, parang kahit nga with family, nawawala na rin yung ano natin connection with our family mismo.
Oo. Oo.
End of discussion. Wala na.
End of call. Ayun,
End
diba?
call na ako. Wala na ako masabi. Parang
So-
nawala yung thought ko dun about this.
So, building onto that thought na everything, diba, because of digital media, kailangan all the more, mas intentional tayo with the way we build our relationships and we
Correct.
make our relationships.
Oo. Tsaka, I think, ay hindi, papasok na tayo dun sa outgrowing. But sometimes kasi, we feel like, hindi natin naiintindihan na lahat tayo nag-grow na rin.
Yeah.
So may kanya-kanya tayong mga buhay.
Oo.
So sometimes may ibang tao na nagtatampo pag hindi kayo nag-uusap. But the reality is, we all have our own lives kasi.
Yes.
So instead na magtampo ka, na mag-check out ka na from the friendship, why don't you try checking in? Like, how are you? Imbes na you're expecting people to always reach out to you, dapat ikaw rin na like, hey, parang just thinking about you, ganito, ganyan. It doesn't have to be like a full-on conversation. Parang, wala lang, just checking in. Or yung, just trying to keep the friendship pa rin, na hindi puro like lang. That's it.
Oo.
Parang that's not enough.
Exactly. Ano nga yun nga, parang yung like, we think na yung like, okay na yun. But no, yung relationships, they're hard work. We all wish for a friendship that's true. We all wish for a friendship that's genuine. But that it's not just found, it's made.
Exactly.
Every relationship is made.
Oo.
But share ko lang, may napanood akong TikTok.
Yeah.
Girl siya, tapos kakalipat lang niya sa isang neighborhood. And then, parang may na-meet siyang new friends sa neighborhood na yun. Tapos gumawa sila ng brunch na party.
Okay.
So, ang saya, ang ganda ng video. So, yung mga tao, how I wish na makahanap din ako ng ganyang friendship. Ang lucky mo naman. And then, she made another video and said, but this wasn't found.
It was made.
It was made. Kailangan, ito yung ginawa ko. Number 1, wala akong kilala. Anong ginawa ko? Kumatok ako sa mga pintuan ng mga tao. Hi, do you want to go on a brunch with me? Tapos in-invite nila yung mga friends nila. That was uncomfortable. Number 2, nag-invite sila ng mga plus ones na for them, uncomfortable din yun. Na magdadala ng potluck, magdadala ng mga pagkain. Number 3, lahat kami, first time namin mag-meet sa venue, nagtulungan kami gumawa ng brunch together. That was uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So we all made ourselves uncomfortable in order to build this community.
Yeah. It's so sad now kasi that's so rare. People are so, it's either they're lazy or they get so shy. Parang, nahiya ako eh. Ay, ayoko. Ang daming excuses. Before mo pagawin, nireject mo na kagad yung sarili mo. Kasi you're not putting yourself out there. You're not doing the work. You always expect na dadating sa'yo. When you should be like, ayun nga, stepping outside of your comfort zone, you doing these little things that make you uncomfortable para makahanap ka rin ng sarili mong group. Or it could be like joining siguro. Maraming mga GC, mga groups sa Facebook or wherever, diba? And then try to find lang yung, ang pinaka-safe kasi for me na advice is, try to do a hobby.
Yes.
Na you can sustain. I think na-mention mo rin to sa Clear episode natin, di ba? Na gawin mo yung na-enjoy mong gawin.
Natural lang sa'yo.
Natural lang. Na plus points na lang kung siguro may mahanap kang jowa doon. Pero as a friend, ganun din naman eh. Let's say, yung mga pickleball.
Yeah.
Sobrang uso ngayon ng pickleball.
Or running.
Yan, run club. Sumali ka sa run club. Siyempre, pag uunahin mo yun, nahiya ako, wala kang mapapala sa hiya na yan. Wala talaga. And everyone is worried about themselves. Hindi ka nila poproblemahin. So might as well just do it, diba? Kung ano yung feeling mo na mag-e-enjoy ka gawin, tapos, ayun, you'll be, next thing you know, you're already part of a community.
Yeah. Parang yung mga solo goers na chicksters na pumunta sa concert natin.
Exactly.
They did the uncomfortable tapos they went home with new friends. Diba? And gusto ko lang i-share. So, ayun, na-establish natin how to make friends as an adult. Diba? We go outside of our comfort zone. We really initiate. Pero one thing I realized din na as an adult, kailangan din natin i-differentiate yung terms. Iba yung colleague, sa acquaintance, sa friends, sa close friends, sa best friends. So for example, ako as an adult, may hobbies ako. I like pole dancing. I like going to the gym. So meron akong friends sa pole.
Yeah.
And sila, they're not my close friends.
Yeah.
They're my pole friends.
Yeah.
Sila yung friends ko kapag every week nagmi-meet kami to practice or to train with pole fitness. Sila yung kasama ko. Hindi ko sinasabi na hindi ko sila friends. They're my friends, but they're my pole friends.
Yeah.
Iba sila sa genuine, true best friends ko na I know, rain or shine, umikot ang mundo, nandun sila.
Yeah.
Kasi if lahat ng tao ni-label natin as our friends, mauubos tayo.
And I think aside from madidrain ka, may konting resentment na rin. Kasi may expectation ka eh. Kasi you consider them as your friend, but maybe you guys aren't on the same page. Na grabe yung binibigay mong effort and time or yung friendship lang ba. Tapos sila, hindi naman pala ganun yung tingin sa'yo. So, nakakaawa ka rin. So, correct.
Yeah.
Tama yun na alam, may mga levels din yan.
Yes. And it's not
It's
saying na hindi mo sila friends. I
Yeah.
love ko. Like, I like my pole friends. But
Yeah.
it's just that, iba yung level.
Yes.
Yung, kung onion ba, may layers yan, di ba?
Yes.
Hindi kasi, may ganong
Onion
theory.
bloom.
May ganong theory sa interpersonal
Onion
relations.
bloom, blooming onion. Ano ba daw? Blooming onion pala.
May interpersonal communications na theory na onion yan.
Mm-hmm.
Layer yan. Iba yung outer layer sa pinaka-core.
Yeah. Parang tayo din, as a person.
Oo.
May mga layers din tayo, and not everyone has access to that. So, meron tayo yung, the closer, parang mas solid yung core mo, mas alam din nila yung ikaw na kung sino ka talaga.
Exactly.
So, it's also, parang, setting boundaries
Yeah.
with these type of friends.
And pwede mag-add lang ako. It's not just setting boundaries, but also, as an adult, ikaw din ba, yung parang nasi-segregate mo na yung friends mo? Like,
Yeah.
like for example, may best friend talaga ako to my core, si Lily. She's a dentist.
Yeah.
Pero si Lily, hindi niya maiintindihan yung buhay ng showbiz.
Yeah.
Para wala akong resentment na hindi to maiintindihan ni
Yeah.
Lily. Pero when I tell her my stories, nagigets nga from a friend's perspective, pero iba pa din yung nasa circle na yon.
Yung having the same shared experience.
Yes, shared experience.
Kasi syempre, it's so hard to understand or to empathize if you have no idea how it feels kasi. Or
Yeah.
parang you were never in that type of environment. So parang you can't really expect someone na to truly, fully understand what you're going through. So tama, ganun din. I think ngayon, I've always been selective naman. I do have a lot of acquaintances. So,
Which is not a bad thing. It's
Yeah.
good to have acquaintances.
like, you would think kasi, di ba, extrovert. Actually, hindi. Ambivert na ako ngayon. Wow, arte! Ambivert. Pervert. Charot.
Naisip ko nga amphibian eh.
Ginawa mo naman ako frog.
Na-fear
Ginawa mo
mo.
naman ako frog. Ayoko nga ng frog. So, ayan, speaking of frogs, minsan, may mga akala mong friend mo, pero mga frog pala talaga sila. So, no, mga echoserang frog. 'Di ba? Yung mga gustong close sa'yo, pero iba naman yung intention.
Yeah.
So, dapat meron ka ring discernment.
Discernment! Ang ganda. Oo.
That's true though. Kasi, syempre, alam mo yon, like, hindi naman sa pagiging judgmental ka. Hindi rin naman sa pinapangunahan mo. But, may mga tao kasi na mayroon silang gift of discernment. And luckily, I have that. So, sometimes, it's hard for me na to continue or like pursue this type of friendship kung meron na akong nafe-feel na
May gut feel ka na.
I don't know, like you seem nice, parang okay ka naman, or I think we would get along, but I just get this vibe from you na there's probably a hidden agenda and I'm just not cool with it. And yung to my core, nafe-feel ko na probably not, wag na lang. Like it's okay. I'll be civil, I'll be nice, but hanggang dun lang. Kumbaga, hindi ka makakapasok.
Yeah.
Wala kang ID. No ID, no entry.
Wala kang card.
Wala kang
Top
sticker.
card. Sticker.
Pumunta ka
Yeah.
muna ng
Guardhouse.
ng HOA. ng clubhouse. Charot. So,
Yeah.
so mga ganun. I think, so paano, so isa sa mga tanong nga, how can you tell if your friend is a close friend or a best friend, ganyan?
Hindi siya parang I don't think na parang may criteria siya. I think it's the quality. No,
Tama.
the quality of your relationship. And also how time stood still. The stand of time. Ano yun? Test of
How
time.
time is stand.
Yung parang
How time is time.
I think you have to let go of the pressure then. Na, ito, best friend ko to. Ito yung parang you have to live it. No?
Yeah.
Live it.
Live and let live, diba?
Diba?
Wag mo nang, wow, so sinasabi ba natin na, hindi, label? Importante ba ang labels dito?
Important yung labels, but also don't pressure it, don't rush it. Maybe that's the
Yan.
thing.
I think,
No?
rush. Tama.
Don't rush it.
alam mo, sa maraming bagay, totoo yan.
No?
Kahit anong minamadali mo, hindi siya
Hindi yan
magiging
tatagal.
hindi siya magiging maganda.
Oo.
Most likely ang pangit nun. Parang example, since mahilig ako magluto. Girl, pag minadali mo, kahit gaano pa kasarap yan, pero pag minadali mo yung luto, putya hindi siya parang pwede, you can eat it.
Matigas pa yung karne.
But hindi siya yung may enjoy mo na meal. Kasi hindi minadali mo nirush mo or may kulang na ingredient, may nagawa kang mali, hindi tender yung meat or something, whatever. Pero when you take your time and mas relax ka, tama yung yung ginagawa mo, magkakaroon pa ng tender loving care yung ulam na niluluto mo, 'di ba? Putya sarap nun. So and sa mga relationships din, ganyan. Pag minadali mo yung process na yun, yung honeymoon phase na yan,
Maganda
kung
yan.
gaano kabilis yung natapos yun, yung kilig-kilig nyo, yung relationship nyo, most likely, ang bilis na matatapos. Kasi minadali mo yung lahat
Yeah.
Hindi mo hinayaan na mag-unfold siya naturally. Parang, ito, wala na, patay na.
Yeah.
Pangit.
Yeah. Tsaka, yung sinabi mo nga, diba, yung pag minamadali. So, kaya nga, it's nice na you just take your time
Yeah.
and you sit back.
Yeah.
You take a step back and say, okay, how do I feel in this relationship? Parang lagi ka mag-check-in.
Check-in, son.
Share ko lang. Parang madami tayong mga chicksters na OFWs kasi. So, it's really hard to make friends in a new country.
That's true.
Diba?
That is true.
Kasi pag lipat mo sa isang country, lahat ng mga tao may established friend groups na.
Yeah.
So, ikaw, parang alam mong makikisama ka lang sa kung ano nang meron. Sabi ng isa kong friend, she moved to Australia, na ang hirap magka-friends, buti na lang, secure siya, alam niya na yung best friends niya nasa Philippines.
Yeah.
So when she's there in Australia, she doesn't need to find best friends.
Yeah.
She just needs to find friends. Oh, pag Friday nood tayo,
That she
sine.
can hang out with. Yeah.
Parang walang pressure na kailangan ko mahanap mga best friends ko dito. Hindi,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's okay nga na alam mo na acquaintances lang sila eh. Diba?
Yeah, and siguro ako, because nadala na rin talaga ako sa mga past experiences ko, I don't go above and beyond for people who won't do the same for me anymore.
Yeah.
Parang dapat malaman mo rin yun sa sarili mo if you're doing too much na rin. Like, it's okay to be a good friend, but you don't have to, like, compromise so much just to keep the friendship. Kasi if you are already doing that, maybe you should reconsider this kind of friendship. Kasi may times na nagiging yung one-sided lang, one way lang, na nakaka-drain yun, nakakapagod yun. And if you're having such a hard time maintaining this friendship, maybe hindi mo talaga siya friend. Babalik tayo doon sa baka acquaintance lang to, baka ka-work mo lang kasi kasamahan mo sa kung saan man. Pinipilit mo maging friend, hindi nga kasi siya true friend.
Yeah.
So,
And
ganun.
alam nyo guys, it's beautiful to have acquaintances. Okay yan, it's beautiful to have colleagues, co-workers, acquaintances. It's not a bad thing. Hindi mo lang sila core friends, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, like minsan, di ba, gusto mo lang ng someone to hang out with. That's okay.
Yeah.
Don't put pressure in it.
Oo. I think, late ko na lang din natutunan yan. Na, kasi dati, medyo matampuhin pa ako eh. And then I realized na, bakit ba ako masyadong nagtatampo? Hindi naman nila responsibility yung happiness ko or yung ano ko, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung or yung let's say sobrang sad ako tapos ina-expect ko na mag-show up. What if may pinagdadaanan din sila? What if ako pala yung hindi na sa mata nila, sa isip nila na ako pala yung hindi naging good friend? Hindi rin pala kami nagkaintindihan, 'di ba? Dahil hindi naman kami nag-communicate or anything. So a part of that, I guess, of having real friends is also doing the inner work na nag-heal ka rin, na you don't depend on other people for happiness or for whatever. Kasi, wow, ngayon ang yabang ko na. Kasi dati kaaway ko yung sarili ko eh. Ngayon, we're besties.
Alam mo,
We're besties.
I think that's the key to making new friends, is
Yeah.
being friends with yourself
Yeah.
first. Kasi if you're not friends with yourself, you're gonna ask for security from other people.
Exactly.
And it will just build so much resentment.
Yeah. Kasi
No?
parang pinasa mo yung responsibility na yun sa ibang tao eh. At saka syempre, pag ikaw, you're not happy with your life, with yourself, if you have like such a negative mindset, how do you think that would affect yung mga magiging yung relationships and friendships mo, 'di ba? Paano doon pa nga lang sa magiging relationship eh. Of course, you have to be friends first with someone.
Yeah.
So, start with yourself. Yung pala yung totoo nun. Ito pala yun. Therapy pala to, guys.
How to make friends, be friends with yourself.
Self first. Oo.
And alam mo, you are your own best friend. You are your own
Yeah.
best friend. Kasi anyone, one of my sorority sisters in her 50s, she told me, you have to remember, bakit pag seryoso nabubulol, no?
Ako nga, jabar na ako eh. Tangin ang usapan to eh. Buti na lang ganito yung suot ko eh. Hindi halata eh. Kaya nga gumagano na yung kamay ko. Napapansin mo ba? Kala nyo prim and proper to, hindi jajabar na ako. Dahil nahihirapan ako dito sa topic na to. Charot.
Para tayo nag-thesis defense. Anyway, one of my sorority sisters in her 50s, she said, you are your own best friend. Kasi anyone can leave you.
Yeah.
Even your husband can leave.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, anyone can leave but yourself. So, kailangan ikaw yung number one fan mo.
Yes. Ang hirap kaya pagkaaway mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
A lot of people go through that. And ako, oh my God, girl, I can't even describe yung feeling na, syempre, hindi naman siya yung parang jowa na, wala na, break na tayo, bye-bye. Hindi eh. 24/7 eh.
Oo.
Kasama mo.
Sa ayaw at gusto
self
mo.
versus self. Isipin mo yun, titignan mo yung sarili mo sa salamin, gusto mo sapakin sarili mo. Parang ano ba to? So, ang hirap nun. And I know it's going to be hard and you need to put in the work. Parang sabi mo nga, di ba, kailangan mong diligan.
Diligan.
Nakita ko eh.
This is the
Kailangan mong diligan.
You water the plant.
Diba? Alam nga namang pagkalagay mo ng seed bukas, ganyan na yan. Siyempre hindi, diba? Matagal siya. Pero pag nag-give up ka kagad, you think magiging ganyan yan?
Kahit plastic.
Kahit plastic. Kunwari na lang, totoo to. Kailangan dinidiligan mo, inaalagaan mo. Okay, iniintindi mo.
Plastic ako.
Diba? Yung parang, ayun, going back sa parang, sa mga plants, it takes time. Hindi mo pwedeng madaliin. So, you have to trust the process. Kailangan mo siyang alagaan every single day. So,
Tsaka, building on to that, yung sabi mo, diba, na kailangan friend mo sarili mo. If hindi mo kinakampihan sarili mo, it's so easy for you to be in bad relationships, in bad friendships. Halimbawa, wala kang respect sa sarili mo.
Oo.
So, dahil wala kang love sa sarili mo, hihingi ka ng community or ng love from other people na hindi naman pala kind sa'yo, na hindi naman pala loving sa'yo. Pero dahil uhaw na uhaw ka for that, pinipilit mo sarili mo doon. Learn to walk away.
yeah. Tsaka, ang daming mga ganyan, yung mga trauma na pag hindi ka kasi na-love ng tama from yung mga childhood pa lang. So, yun, nag-expect ka ng love from friends, from people, from partners na hindi naman kasi talaga na mabait. Anyway, nagka-crash ako.
Ito, natutuwa ako sa isang chickster natin.
Ang hirap.
Natutuwa ako sa isang chickster natin, si Jelly. Hi, Jelly. Na-meet siya sa poll.
Talaga?
Chickster na siya ngayon. Tapos nakikita ko stories niya. Tuwang-tuwa ako sa kanya. She goes to yoga by herself.
Yeah.
She does all these hobbies by herself. And then she went to the Chicks to Go event by herself. And she makes friends, ganyan. Ang saya kasi kapag confident ka sa sarili mo.
Exactly.
Dahil confident ka, alam mo what you offer to the world. So, you attract so many good vibes.
Yes. Tama yun.
You attract who you are.
Alam mo, ang sarap, you attract who you are.
You attract who you are.
Exactly. Alam mo, kaya dati, alam mo, na ano ako dyan na-offend pa nga ako sa isa sa mga nag-comment nun. Because before, I used to be so negative na, ano ba to yung mga na-attract ko, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Tapos yun nga, na-real talk ako nun, na you attract who you are. And I was like, holy shit, wait lang Parang, oo nga, no? And sometimes you don't want to admit that. It's a hard pill to swallow. But sometimes the truth hurts. And then, na-realize ko na, oo nga, maybe I should work on myself first so I can attract better people. And then, true enough, yun nga yung nangyayari. And then now, I feel so much lighter. Emotionally, like mentally, physically, better, brighter future. Charis. So yun, yung feeling lighter. And it's so easy. It's so much easier. Kasi nga, secure, wala ka nang, you don't have to prove yourself to anyone.
Exactly.
Kumbaga, ikaw na to. So, if people like it, great. If they don't, it's okay. Kasi may ibang tao naman na magiging okay sa kung sino ka
Yeah.
And if you're happy with yourself, it doesn't matter kung ayaw sa'yo ng ibang tao. You can't please anyone.
Yeah.
You can't please everyone nga. We always say this sa mga episodes natin. And it's so true. So, the bottom line is, be friends with yourself.
Be friends with yourself.
Diba?
And, ayun, by being friends with yourself, you get to attract good people in your life, yung core mo. And kapag secure ka sa core friends mo, hindi ka na maghahanap ng iba. As in, like for example, sa internet, a lot of people don't like me. As in, like, sa Reddit, they don't like me. And then, I'm like, okay lang, kasi these are strangers.
Exactly.
I don't know them. And then, I think of Lily. And I think of Jamie. And I think of my best friends na nandyan talaga.
Yes.
Na parang, I don't care if 1,000 people don't like me. I have this number of friends.
Correct.
And itong friends na to, secure ako sa kanila. Tapos ganun pala yun, kung may ganun kang security, hindi ka na maghahanap ng approval ng ibang tao because you know, may mauuwian kang mga taong mahal ka.
Exactly. Totoo. Totoo. Tsaka nakakapagod na. Yung lagi kang yung craving for people's validation, approval. Hay nako. Alam mo, ngayon, sa totoo, I think nakikita niyo naman sa TikTok ko, yung mga katarantaduhan ko. Girl, ang saya ko. Pag mag-isa ako sa bahay, oh my God, I have the best time ever. Or people might think na, ang lungkot siguro ni Ashley, no, na mag-isa lang. Girl, ang saya namin ni Self. Nagbabanding kami ni Self. Like, I can entertain myself. I'm happy. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko. I'm so
That's
fucking
great.
funny.
Yeah.
I find myself like hilarious. Like, girl, nakakatawa ka.
Oo. Kailangan mong sabihin, shit, nakakatawa ka.
Nakakatawa ka.
Ang saya mo kasama, ang sarap mo kausap. Kailangan mong sabihin yun sa sarili mo, like, in front of the mirror, nakakatawa
works.
ka.
Girl, ang ganda mo. Ang ganda mo.
Ang ganda mo, tangina, ang ganda mo.
Diba? Yung ang sarap ng feeling na yun, actually. And guys, you should try it. Like, mukha akong, I might sound crazy, but if nagawa niyo yun and na-practice niyo yun, you'd understand how it feels to be so free. It feels liberating na you're so secure with yourself na wala kang pakialam. Like, truly, wala kang pakialam. Iba kasi yung pag sinabi mo, wala akong pakialam. Pero deep inside, actually, wait, oh my God, hindi ako gusto. No, ito yung literal na, I don't care. I don't give a shit. Whatever anyone says, I genuinely do not give a shit. That's how life should be. Life is so much better when you just, let go of all these things. Na yung, dapat malike ako ni ganito, dapat friends ako ni ganito, dapat close yung... Huwag mo nang isipin yung mga ibang tao, isipin mo yung sarili mo.
Yeah.
In a good way, not in a selfish, conceited way. In a good way.
Yeah, and because if you like yourself, yun nga, you get to make friends.
Yes.
Yeah. And, pwede ba akong mag-share lang yung parang going back sa inconveniencing yourself to build a community? So nung Chicks to Go concert, di ba nga may stage fright talaga ako, sis? As in, natatakot talaga ako pag ganun. Nagulat ako, 5 minutes before the show, dumating si Lily and si Jamie. Tapos nagbigay sila ng flowers. Tapos parang umiiyak ako nun na parang, sobrang nakaka-touch naman nito na alam nilang takot ako Kaya they had to check in na, are you okay?
Aw.
Tapos parang sa concert din, may friend ako si Sky.
Yeah.
Nag-sponsor siya sa
Ng
atin ng
coffee. Ang
coffee,
sarap
yung
ng
AO
coffee na
Coffees.
yun.
She sponsored the whole team. And lagi sabi ko, Sky, thank you so much na sponsor mo. And you're such a good friend. And then she said, I'm a good friend to you because you're also a good friend to me. So I hope you remember that.
Aw.
And then, hindi sa parang nagsusuklian, hindi sa parang nag-measure, transaction. Pero for example, si Lily, one time, she was going through something. So, from QC ako, pinuntahan namin siya all the way to Parañaque para lang tulungan siya mag-wash ng dishes niya sa kitchen.
Aw.
Kasi sobrang, she was sad. And then we said, we're gonna help you carry the load. Let's clean your house together. So, nagde-dishes kami, pina-fold namin laundry niya because she needed friends. And then, yung ganun na parang, maybe you get these things, or you get this treatment from people kasi you also love them.
Exactly.
So, my message here is, you love people, you inconvenience yourself. Grammar, no? Do the inconvenient thing for the people you love. Wag na kayo magsumbatan.
Oo,
Just do
magbilangan.
it. Oo.
I mean, I think nagagawa mo naman siya naturally pag alam mong deserving din kasi yung tao.
Yes.
Kasi pag napipilitan ka, parang iba yun eh.
Yeah.
Diba? But if you really truly love someone and care for someone, madali lang siya.
Yeah.
No ifs, no buts. It's like, okay, I'll do this for you because I actually do care for you and I love you, diba?
Ang
So that's really
ganda na
sweet.
sinabi mo na madali. Madali lang.
Effortless.
Oo, effortless. Kasi minsan yung best hangouts pa nga ng friends, yung mga simple lang.
Yeah. Or yung hindi planado. Mas natutuloy nga yung hindi planado, diba? Mas masaya pa nga yun eh.
Kahit nga yung parang ang ganda yung tambay lang tayo magkasama, walang ginagawa. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi siya kailangan maging grand.
Yes.
Hindi siya kailangan maging this whole planned, executed thing.
Anong tawag doon? Yung parang nag-hangout kayo but like you're just sitting in
Parallel
silence.
play.
Ayun,
Parallel play.
Oo.
Diba? Sitting in silence.
Yeah.
Ang ganda nun.
That's really cute. Actually, ako, may times na gusto ko rin ng, yung, andyan ka lang.
Oo. Presence mo lang.
Mag-TikTok
Mag-TikTok
lang tayo. Kailangan ko lang yung body heat mo. Proximity. Yeah, oo.
I remember nga how we met. Diba, that was inconvenient. Yung magde-DM tayo sa isa't isa, hindi pa kami close ni Ash. Pero, let's meet on Wednesday, jogging tayo.
Yeah.
Let's meet on Thursday, nood tayo ng movie. You really have to be intentional.
Exactly.
I remember, diba, nung galing akong Nueva Ecija. Tapos I promised Ash na 7 p.m. magkikita kami for a dinner. Tapos from Nueva Ecija, nag-bus ako para mag-dinner tayo.
Grabe ka doon. Oh my gosh.
So,
Yeah. Nagulat nga ako. Sabi ko, huy, hindi mo kailangan, hindi mo kailangan gawin yun.
Pero kasi, hindi, pinromise ko na dinner, 7 p.m. mag-dinner tayo. So, nagbasa ko. So,
that's
parang,
really sweet.
that's how you build relationships. Parang, hindi mo disregard yung schedule or time ng isang tao, yung energy nila.
And you keep your word.
You keep your word.
Importante din yun. Ang hirap kasi yung iba, ang daming mga promises, pero hindi naman kasi natutuloy. Sana wag ka na lang magsabi ng kahit ano, para hindi ka na rin napapressure na gawin yun kung hindi mo naman makocommit din, diba? So, thank you. Thank you. You kept your word. And you actually went out of your way. Talagang, girl, ang layo ng Nueva Ecija, ha? Hindi siya joke. What the fuck? Ang layo nun.
Tapos si Ash naman, di ba, nagluluto siya, tapos magme-message siya, gusto mo mag-breakfast, tara dito, breakfast tayo.
Pinuntahan ko, very jowa levels ako nun. Ako pa yung pumunta sa condo.
Sa condo.
Blueberry French toast pa ako.
Blueberry French. Oo.
Yes.
Di ba? So, reach out. Di ba ikaw nag-reach out na parang gusto mo ng almusal, luto ako ng blueberry. So, siya ng blueberry.
Blueberry French toast. Hello.
Di ba? You go out of your way. Go out.
You go out.
You go out.
Go out. Go there.
So, ayan, na-establish natin how to make friends. Una, be secure in ourselves. Na unang best friend mo dapat ikaw.
Yes, yung sarili mo.
Second, inconvenience yourself.
Oo.
Do the hard work. Number 3, ano, so, diba, do the hard work. Number 3, parang ano, yung sabi natin, it's okay to have friends, it's okay to have acquaintances, it's okay to have best friends. Parang hindi lahat best friend yung
Hindi
title.
lahat, not everyone is your friend.
Yeah. Yung next naman na question ng Chicksters, ano naman daw gagawin pag na-outgrow mo yung friendship?
Ito na tayo. Ito na tayo sa exciting part. Mga kababayan ko. Charot. Outgrowing friendships. Sa totoo lang, for me, mas masakit ang falling out with a close friend more than a breakup with a boyfriend.
Jowa, yeah.
Kasi may times na wala kayong closure eh. Alam mo yun? Or siguro may nangyari na something for you to stop being friends. And I don't know, masakit siya. So, outgrowing a friendship, it's kind of hard. May kanya-kanya tayong way of moving on and processing things. But, ang sa akin, I try to just remember yung mga good times namin. Kasi, nag-enjoy naman ako nung season namin na close kami. But, you know, shit happens and we just have to move on and to choose the right people na we can consider our friends. It's like I said, not everyone is our friend.
Yeah.
So, it's tricky. It's sad. It's hard.
Relationships are very complex. Walang black or white, walang right or wrong. You really just learn by living it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Experience is the best teacher talaga.
Siguro, kaya siya mas masakit sa jowa breakup. Kasi, ito chosen relationship mo to eh.
Yeah.
Pamilya yung tingin mo dito eh.
Aww. And, you know, betrayal is a bitch.
Yeah.
It's the worst feeling ever. Na parang, you thought so highly of someone, tapos, you would do anything for them.
Tapos hindi pala ganun.
That's so sad. But it's okay, because at least, I am my own best friend. Kawawa pala. Love you, self.
I love you so much, self.
I love you so much, self. It's you and me against the world, self. And poop. Aso ko yung best friend ko. Bakit?
Well, Matt's best friend, diba? Akin naman, yung masasabi ko sa outgrowing a friendship, minsan, it's okay to accept na some friendships, they're genuine, but also they're just there for a season in your life.
Totoo.
Like, halimbawa, nag-18th birthday ako, nag-debut, di ba? Yung mga in-invite ko sa debut ko, sila yung solid core friends ko nung college ako.
Yeah.
Tapos now, nung tinitingnan ko yung photo album, we don't talk na masyado. Parang piling-pili na lang talaga yung mga close ko pa. But I'm not saying na they're not true friends. I'm saying na they were my true friends nung 18 kaming lahat. Pareho kami ng season, ng journey. And lahat kami, nag-grow, tapos nag-evolve, tapos nagkaroon na kami ng different interests, ng different communities. So, okay lang. Okay lang. And then also, yung pag-outgrow, it's also accepting na, you know, yung friendships, hindi naman siya sa gaano kayo ka-close as the years go by. Sometimes yung friendships is, I'm going to give you space and then we can reconnect and like nothing happened.
Exactly.
Like we can pick up from where we left off.
Mga low-maintenance
friendships.
Yeah.
Like, pag makikita mo once a year, pero it's like nothing's changed. And you know na you are always rooting for each other. So, ang dami kong friends na sa abroad na.
Yeah.
And, you know, like lahat kami, we're rooting for each other, but we can't be there, we can't talk all the time.
Yeah.
Pero know na we want each other to be successful.
Ang ganda ng sinabi mo, parang it kind of reminds me of yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na, Hershey, tara, nasa season 2. Maganda tong episode na to. So parang ganyan, when we watch a show, diba? May mga characters eh.
Yeah.
Na okay, sa season na to, ito yung mga characters. Ito yung mga friends. Pagdating ng season 2, ito naman. Oh, medyo masasad ka. Ay, gusto ko tong character na to, ba't nawala?
Yeah.
Pero meron naman palang papalit, ganyan.
Yeah.
Meron iba na nagstay from start to finish, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
ganun lang din. It's like life. Ganun talaga eh.
It's
And
life,
wala kang
oo.
you have no control over that.
Yeah.
So ang makokontrol mo lang is ikaw yung thoughts mo, yung feelings mo, yung just I guess choosing then
Yeah.
the people that you surround yourself with. So, syempre, if you are in a circle na mostly negative yung vibe nila or yung pinag-uusapan nila or yung trip nila, magiging ganun ka rin. Pero if you try to surround yourself with people na, ina-uplift ka or ini-inspire ka to be better, to do better, then maybe yun yung mga klaseng friends na kailangan mo rin alagaan.
Yeah.
So-
and you have to trust life enough to know that you haven't met other people you love and who love you. Oo,
Yes, ang ganda.
Quote yan sa TikTok na parang, okay lang, relax ka lang. You haven't met all the people you love and who will love you yet. So right now, ito yung season natin, pag 40s tayo, we'll have different people in our lives too, maybe.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Oo.
Like, may mga constants, but also may mga come and go.
May naisip lang din ako. 'Di ba yung sinasabi nila, yung, kunwari, may mga friends ka na from before pa. Syempre, nag-evolve tayo as a person, 'di ba? We change, hopefully for the better. And sometimes they say, uy, nagbago ka na.
It's
Parang,
good.
hindi na siya yung kilala kong ganyan. And sometimes, may mga tao na they say that in a negative way, na, bakit? Bawal ba akong mag-evolve? Or parang, bakit? Bawal bang umasenso ako sa buhay? Bakit parang, kung paano mo ako na-meet at that time, or nung season ko na yon, in-expect mo na
Ganun
hanggang ngayon,
forever.
ganun ako forever. So may iba rin na feeling ko, nag-outgrow or magkaka-falling out kayo because of that kind of mindset na, this is how I met you, so I expect you to be like this forever. And
ganda.
sometimes it's not, hindi siya ganun eh.
Ang ganda.
Or kunwari, ako, aminado naman ako dati na I always go out. Like, life of the party, night out, ganito, ganyan. So, syempre ngayon na tumatanda na ako na hindi ko na siya trip, it's not because I feel like I'm better than them. It's not that. It's just, it's not my
not
vibe
you
anymore.
anymore.
It's not the type of environment na I want to be in. Like, I can still, enjoy, but hindi na yun yung, kumbaga, ako. I don't want to be defined as that anymore. Na I want to do other things. And it's fine kasi we all change, we all grow, we all evolve. So yun lang. Maybe for other people, try to take that into consideration
People
also.
will change.
Yeah.
Sis, sobrang ganda ng sinabi mo na people change and evolve. Because that's so true.
Yeah.
Ang ganda nga na madaming resentment and frustration kasi some people, they want you to stay the version you are when they met you.
Yeah.
That's parang loving someone is letting go and attending several births of that
Uy,
person.
gusto ko yun na attending
Diba?
several births.
Thousands of births.
Oh, birth control.
Ito, share ko lang the best love letter I received. It was this year, si Lily.
Yeah.
Sinulatan nga ako ng letter on my birthday. And at the very end of the letter, she said, I love you and all your past versions and all the versions you will become.
That's so beautiful. Grabe. Totoo yun. Ano, gusto ko yung iyakan na.
Ang ganda
Ang
nun
ganda
eh,
nun.
di ba? Na mahal kita for your past, for your present, and kung sino ka man bukas and the
Yeah.
years after that. That's so beautiful. Kasi you'll never know who you're gonna be next year.
Exactly.
Like
Ito,
last
last year, sa tingin mo ba? At tingin mo ba, mape-predict ko tong nangyayari?
tayo.
Diba? Mape-predict ko bang magmumukha ako magpe-PTA? Tapos nagsasalita sa harap niyong lahat? So, hindi. So, ang ganda nun. Ang ganda. And it's so true. Alam mo, sabi nga nila, diba, when you meet certain people, iba talaga yung ang ganda ng pagkakasabi dito sa TikTok. Sana sinave ko po siya. Pag ako nagsabi, parang iba eh. But basically, sinasabi niya na, may mga tao na napapress yung kind of button natin na shows this different side of us. Na sometimes we don't even know na, oh my gosh, may gantong side pala ako. Kunwari, na-meet mo tong tao na to, tapos dahil sa vibe nyo, nag-click kayo, lumalabas yung pagiging makulit mo. And then, ito naman sa isang person na to, nagkaintindihan kayo, lumalabas naman yung pagiging philosophical mo. Na, alam mo yon, ikaw mismo nagugulat ka, ay, okay, I like this version of me when I'm with you.
Yeah.
And it's fun kasi at least may maraming mga different, like you said, different versions. So with different people, yun, different.
Yeah. Oo.
Nawala. Iniwan na naman ako ng train of thought ko. Iniwan ako, napunta na siya
yun.
doon sa Santolan.
To be philosophical ha. Ito,
So,
di ba,
ubos yung
tama
brain
yun,
cells ko.
Ash. Tama yun. To be philosophical.
Oras na ba?
Sabi, lahat ng tao, lahat tayo, may iba-iba tayong masks. And when we say mask, it's roles in life. So halimbawa, kung kami ni Ash yung magkasama, ito yung Hershey when I'm with Ash.
Yeah.
Iba yung Hershey when I'm with Mahal.
Yeah.
Iba yung Hershey when I'm a daughter.
Yeah.
Iba yung Hershey when I'm with Lily. Iba-iba yan, and that's okay. That's okay kasi these are all who you are.
Yeah.
And relationships, they are different mirrors to who you are.
Ang ganda. Ang
Diba?
daming quotable quote ni Hershey dito,
Hindi,
pucha.
ang ganda, diba?
Oo.
Kasi parang ikaw, iba ka sa tennis friends mo, iba ka with sila Val, iba ka with Lil Cha, diba?
Oo.
Iba ka
ako
with
sa
your
bahay.
family.
Exactly.
Oo. And kaya nga, you have to love all versions of yourself.
Yun talaga yun. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-essence itong
Essence.
friendship, episode na to.
So guys, pag tinanong kayo, who's your best friend, sabihin nyo, myself.
Ay, ulit. Sino best friend mo?
Me. Self.
Hindi na. Self na lang.
Self.
Oh.
Sino best friend mo?
Self. Hindi talaga nakakatuga. May ay. Ay?
Yun na lang.
Who's your best friend?
Ay. Ang ganda. First time natin magkaroon ng seryosong podcast. Ang hirap pala.
Kanina pa pawis yung kilikili ko. Pwede bang tapusin na natin tong friendship episode na to? But ang ganda.
ang ganda.
Ang ganda ng episode na to. Naiyak ako. Dahil dyan,
Ganda.
wala lang. As we go on. Naging outro pa.
I'll be there for you.
I'll be there for you. Ganun na naman. Lasing na
Because you're
naman.
there for
Me
me
too.
Sino ka sa Friends?
Si Chandler. Chandler Bing.
Sarcastic.
Yeah,
So fun.
I'm Chandler
Rachel,
Bing.
Hindi, Phoebe ako.
Oh.
Phoebe ako.
Smelly cat.
Smelly cats. I'm a Monica? I'm not. Ikaw nga yung feeling ko, Monica. Alam mo, may nag-comment.
Ako? Monica? Or Rachel?
May
Talaga?
nag-comment na chickster. Tayo daw si Monica and Rachel ng Philippines.
Talaga?
Pero sabi nga, ikaw si Monica, ako si Rachel.
Ganon? Well, I'm sorry guys. Ako talaga si
Si
Chandler.
And I'm Phoebe.
Ako, yun. Okay, bye.
Bye.